In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write blog posts and articles with Notion AI. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, Notion AI can be an invaluable tool in your writing arsenal. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage this incredible technology to craft compelling blog posts and articles. First, you'll want to navigate to your Notion homepage. If you're not already familiar, Notion is a versatile workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and organize. It's a great platform for bringing all your work together in one place. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu where you'll find Notion AI. This feature is specifically designed to enhance your content creation process. By clicking on Notion AI, you're opening up a world of possibilities for streamlining your writing tasks. It offers suggestions, checks grammar, and even helps generate ideas, perfect for when you're facing writer's block. Now, with Notion AI open, it's time to input a prompt for your blog post or article. Think of this prompt as a seed. It's the starting point from which your content will grow. Be clear and concise in what you want to write about. Whether it's a specific topic or a broad theme, type it into the prompt section. This will guide Notion AI in providing the most relevant suggestions and content ideas. With your prompt set, the next step is to open your blog page. Within this space, Notion AI can further assist you. It's here that the magic truly happens. Notion AI isn't just about generating text, it's like having an editor by your side. It can help refine your writing by correcting grammar and spelling errors. Moreover, it can offer creative suggestions and expansions on your ideas, ensuring your writing is both polished and engaging. Using Notion AI to its full potential can significantly enhance your writing efficiency and quality. It allows you to focus more on creativity and strategy rather than getting bogged down with editing and idea generation. Plus, it's a fantastic way to learn and improve your writing skills, as you can see real-time suggestions and corrections. As you become more comfortable with Notion AI, you'll find that it becomes an indispensable part of your writing process. Remember, the key is to experiment with different prompts and input styles to see what works best for you. With a bit of practice, you'll be crafting high-quality blog posts and articles in no time, all with the help of Notion AI. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to harness the power of Notion AI for your writing needs. Happy writing!